Hi, I'm Nicole, and if you've seen my previous videos, you know I have gotten thousands of dollars of cash back using Rakuten, formerly known as Ebates. Well, today I'm going to compare Rakuten to Honey. I got into using Honey because my son told me about it, and guess what? For the first few, I guess months that I was using it, it worked pretty well. It would pop up showing me coupon codes for things that I might not know how to coupon code. The first time it was a big success for me, I used it. I was purchasing some pants. I think it was some pants for my son at H&M online. And this coupon popped up. I got about 20% off and it was fantastic. I was super happy with it. Well, now it's, probably a year or two later, and I kind of have some different thoughts about Honey. It's kind of begun driving me a bit nuts, and I'm about to uninstall it. And the only reason I didn't uninstall it was because I wanted to make this video, and I will show you why. And as for those great coupon codes, well, guess what? Rakuten does those now too. I am in no way affiliated with Rakuten in any other way that I'm a loyal user for probably like 5 years or so. And I'm just a big proponent because it's a great way to get cash back. The other thing that bothers me about Honey, and I'm going to illustrate some of these points, we're going to go pop onto my computer in just a moment, is that I keep using Honey for that Honey Gold, which is kind of like the equivalent to your cash back. You get enough gold and then you might get 10 or 20 or whatever dollars back. Well, I've been using Honey for what's been probably a couple years now. I've never received $1 back. I mean, it says that I'm getting close to $10. Whereas with Rakuten, I have gotten thousands. And every time I make a purchase, I exactly know. It's not some random, you're getting gold. It's actually, oh, okay, you got 57 cents or you got $5 or $20. Sometimes if you use it for travel, you can get a lot of money back. It's actually pretty good. So let's go over to my computer. We're going to look at Honey, and we're also going to look at Rakuten. So you can kind of see the differences between the two and how you can sign up, get a Chrome extension so you don't ever forget to use it. Also, just in case you didn't know, Rakuten works on your mobile phone. You can set it up to work with restaurants and also in-store shopping. I have some videos on those topics too. I will list them down below in case you're interested in learning more. And you know what? Maybe you love Honey. Maybe there's something I'm totally missing and doing wrong. If so, please do tell me in the comments. Oh, and if you're new to my channel, would love if you subscribed and joined my community and give this video a like if you're enjoying it. So let's go over my computer right now. Here we are on the Honey website, and as you can see, after using this for years, I've only got 675 pieces of gold, which is $6.75, and you need to have 1,000 to even redeem to get your first $10. So the rest of the site, you can invite friends. They're encouraging you to go to stores. They must see that I like these three here very much. So yeah, and then let's click on Honey Gold and see what they say. They just say you shop like normal, activate your gold, redeem your gold. Well, again, after 3 years, I haven't even gotten $10 back. Here I am at the Samsung site. I already threw some things into my cart, so I put a refrigerator and a TV in just for fun. And up pops the Honey that's telling me I can go ahead and apply coupons, which I could go ahead and do if I wanted to. So that's how it would work if I did apply coupons. Basically, then it's going to give me my gold for this, plus it's trying out a whole bunch of different coupons. Now, it's saying that I didn't find any coupons, but I could get this gold back. And if I get 1,000, then I'll get a $10 gift card. So I'm going to go ahead and, just kind of turn that off there. Now I'm going to go ahead and go up into my bar here, click my Rakuten. This did pop up for me earlier, but I shut it when I was putting the refrigerator in the cart. So I can do the activate 15% cash back. So now when I go back to shop some more or to my cart, that 15% is active. And I can tell that because this little R here, I could click it again, and it says that I've got my up to 15% cash back now updated. It tells me, what the deals are, that laptops, mobile phones, and accessories and tablets are 15%. Let's see what it says about TVs and home theater. Okay, those are only 2%. Home appliances are 9%. So I would save 9% on the refrigerator, or not save, get cash back. And I would get 2% back on the TVs. Oh, and then we ordered my daughter a phone today from AT&T, and I clicked on Rakuten before, and I'm getting $5 cash back from that. So you can kind of see how it works. So sometimes it's different percentages on different things within a store. So, at Amazon, it might be no percent on certain things and several percent on others. So that's just kind of how it works. So I'm not really going to buy this now. So I'll click away from here. Now popping over to Lowe's, you can see that they have up to 4% cash back at Lowe's, Probably just depends again on the category. I'm popping over to Cybersteels. I just want to throw anything into my cart right now because I want to see if I can get honey to do the things that it does that just drive me completely nuts. It'll often try to hijack my Rakuten percentage back. In fact, I one time had 10% back on something and I didn't realize that honey had popped up and kind of hijacked my cart. And I did not get my Rakuten cash back, but honey had popped in and kind of taken over. So, oh, see, here it goes. All right. So you can see how Rakuten and honey popped up. If you even barely touch it, it seems like it takes over your cart. So just be careful of that when they pop up like that. Make sure that you close the honey right away. Now let's pop over to the Rakuten site. And by the way, Rakuten's been around for over 20 years. So they are totally legit. They've been around for a really long time. Here we are at Rakuten, and as you can see, I'm filming this Black Friday time, and there are some amazing cashback numbers. Just know that these can change every single day. So something that might be 15% on Black Friday might be 5% later in the week, but then the very next day it might go back up to 10. You never know. I've seen Lululemon at 1%, that I've seen it at 6%. Macy's right now is 10. I've seen it as high as 15. So it just really depends what's going on. Look at this. Neiman Marcus is 16%. Sometimes this works out super well because Neiman Marcus will give you a $50 gift card if you spend $200, and then you also get 16% cash back. It's unbelievable. So these are just some of the cash back deals that you can get. Here you can see some of the cash back I've recently earned, on Sephora here. I spent $78, got $1.56 back here on Priceline. I mean, it's not tons of money, but it's money you wouldn't have otherwise. One other cool thing I wanted to let you know is if you have not used Rakuten before and you sign up using my affiliate link, or if you have a friend who has an affiliate link right now, they always would give you $10, sometimes $20 into your next big fat check, which those come every 3 months. That's how you get your money, every 3 months. So I just got one in October. I'll get my next one in February. Well, what they're doing now is they're giving you $40 if you spend $40 in the next 90 days going through Rakuten. So that is an amazing, amazing deal. So especially now during the holidays, it would be a great time to use that. So I just wanted to kind of show you the site a little bit and all these different stores. Another thing you can do is just check if a store is there. So let's say you wanted to see if Le Creuset has it. Yes. So their actual website is 3%. And here are some other places that might carry it. I don't think the perfume spot would, but anyhow, they are trying to find matches for me that would carry that if I was looking for cash back. You can also search by an item. Like let's say you're looking for, headphones, Sony. They show you the Sony store has no discounts, but Best Buy you get up to 1%, Bose. So they try to find you. So if HSN carries them and you get 10% cash back, then probably as long as the deal is the same, better place to buy them because you'll get 10% cash back. And if I remember correctly, those are around $300, so you get about $30 back. I bought my husband some for Father's Day one year. Now let's say we wanted to go to Best Buy and we're going from the Rakuten site. It really just pushes you over to the Best Buy site. You shop as normal. So here, I'll just grab a camera. Yay. I need a new camera actually. So I'll just go ahead and throw that into my cart. Let me go to shop now so I can pick one. There it is in my cart. And then I would just go ahead and check out as usual. And then they will register my cash back and have it in my next big fat check. Now I showed you how to go ahead and get your cash back starting from the Rakuten site. But if you install the Chrome extension, you don't have to do that. This will pop up and I will just hit the activate 10% cash back. It just thinks about it for a moment, and then I shop here at Bloomingdale's as I usually would. I check out, I use my regular credit card as I normally would. Super duper easy. Now I want to show you what's so annoying about honey. I'm going to just go ahead and go to one of my favorite places to shop. We're going to go to Skin Store here, and I must have left some stuff in my cart. So, all right, we're going to go over here as if I'm going to check out. Now, it's doing this weird thing. This is because of honey. It throws me over to my PayPal and gives me this gibberish that I don't want and wants me to log into PayPal. And I'm not even ready to or wanting to. And this only happens when that honey thing pops up. It's so annoying. This happens all the time and it drives me nuts. And I feel like it's very weird and buggy. Now let me show you how to activate in-store and dining. So for in-store, the way that it works is you go down to these stores, and as you can see, I need to link these offers. So you do need to come back and link the offers that you want, and then I would come back and check back, because as they change or if you use them, you seem to have to reset these. So if I were going to go to H&M, and I'm going to shop in store, I would hit link offer, and then it has now gone ahead and linked to all the credit cards I have linked to my Rakuten account. I need to go delete some of those. A lot of those are expired. Here, same thing, Dyson, Levi's. So there's all kinds of different stores. Macy's will be here, Blue Mercury. 10% in store. This has never been this high in store. I've seen it at 4%, and I think one time Sephora was at 8%, but I think they're trying to push people to come in store now more because, then we will impulse buy more, and because we're doing less of it now because of the current world situation. So, there's 8% for Sephora right now. Sally Beauty, 15%. This is fantastic. So for every $100 you spend, you're getting 15 back. Or for spending $1, you'll get 15 cents back. Or $10, you'll get $1.50 back. PetSmart, oh my gosh, I have to link this one. My dog needs prescription dog food, and it's $100 a bag. It lasts me, about 2 or 3 months, but that is a nice savings that I will go ahead and take. Let's pop back up here and look at food and entertainment. So if you're ordering online, as you can see, there are all kinds of different restaurants. So I just saw a winery go by, Buffalo Wild Wings. That's my nephew's favorite place to eat. Anyway, there's just all kinds of different restaurants. But let's look at dining specifically. So it looks like this is now just available when you use the Rakuten app. I have a whole video about the Rakuten app. I did a little while ago, so it might be a little bit different now, but you'll get the basic idea. So as you can see, when you go and eat at a restaurant or order out, you can also get cash back. And it looks like certain days of the week, you might get cash back, like at Buca di Beppo. Obviously, they're not giving it to you on Friday and Saturday because those are their biggest nights probably. But again, these types of things fluctuate with offers. So make sure you get the app because it comes in super handy. I hope that helped illustrate some of the points as to why I really just do not enjoy using Honey at all anymore. I'm going to uninstall it, and why I really think that Rakuten is the way to go for your cash back, for your coupon codes, and really, a way to save so much money by really doing nothing. I hope this was of value to you. If it was, really do hit that subscribe button, share this video, give it a like, leave me a comment. It really, really helps me out if you do those things. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.